Hey Rhea, how you doing? This is Ashley. This is a video that I was talking to you about on the phone. Um, I'm going to keep this video as short as I possibly can while filling it full of all the information that I was wanting to talk to you about. Of course, I can't do all of it or else this video would be hours long, but kind of just long enough where you get the point. And that's so we don't waste either of our time, and when you're finished watching it, reach out and we can go from there. So I'm going to start with your current website. Now when it comes to having a website, and this is for any business, it's all about how user-friendly that site is, how easy it is for somebody to navigate throughout your site, and to be able to cater to different types of people coming to your website for whatever reason. Now, what I mean when I say that is some people are coming to your site to specifically click on your phone number, talk to you on the phone, and that's it. Other people, they want to fill out a form submission, so on and so forth. Whatever the case may be, we need to make sure that we're catering to all those different types of people coming to your site. So on your guys' website, I absolutely love how you have the click to call phone number right from the start of the website. We love to see that. What I would suggest implementing on your website is a form submission option. Again, right here from the start of your website. That way they don't have to scroll to find it and to fill out that form. Now, what both of those options do is it is great for client conversion. So I would definitely implement that. Now, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is your overall website. Now, looks aren't everything. They definitely play a big role. But as far as the overall look of your guys' website, there's really not much to it. And now the content of your website. So Google likes to see right around 2,000 words, and that's not of just any old written content. It's keyword rich, authoritative content. So what that means is basically we would go out and see what your competitors are ranking for, find the ones that have the highest KD, meaning ones that people are searching for the most, send it out to our writers and our professional writers, and they would strategically place those keywords throughout the content that they're writing. That way you get recognized for those keywords. Excuse me. So that is that. Now the next thing I want to talk about is your competitor. So if we come to Google, I just did a regular search for one of the services that you guys have to offer. Now keep in mind, I could have done a million different searches with all the different services that you guys have to offer and all the different areas that you offer those services in. Again, this video would be so long, so this is to just give you an idea. Now, the search that I did was AC Repair, Ocala, Florida, and these guys from the organic section are one of your competitors. So if we take a look at what they look like, we can see, they got their click to call phone number right from the start. They also don't have a form submission, but what they're beating you in right now is content. They have a little bit more content than you. Nothing that's not beatable, put it that way. So we'll keep it at that. Come back here, and I'm just going to break down Google for you. Basically, Google is broken down into 3 different sections. The first section, I should say, of Google is the ads. Now, as you can see right here, here's the Google guaranteed ads. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them, but basically Google will guarantee the job up to a certain percentage in terms of money. Now, you only get charged for calls, and that's great for you because when somebody's calling you, they're more prone to actually making a purchase rather than just filling out a form submission, reaching out on Facebook, or whatever the case may be. Now, don't get me wrong, you still get great conversions from those other options, but that's just Google guaranteed. So the next section is the Google My Business section, and this area, as any area of Google, is a really important section to be in because when somebody comes to Google, different people do different things. Some people strictly want the ads, other people strictly want the organic, so on and so forth. So we need to make sure you're in all those different places all throughout Google. That way you have the best odds. So in order to get ranked in this area, it requires having citations. And what a citation is is basically your business's name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories like Yelp, Yext, BBB, so on and so forth. It also requires having reviews and pictures, posting on your G&B listing weekly. There's a lot that goes into this area here, but again, it's a really important area to show up in and want to be in. And as of right now, we can see that you guys are not currently showing up there, so we would definitely want to go and do what I just talked about. Now, the next section here is the organic section. Directly deals with your website, and it's also the last part of Google. Now, in order to get ranked in this area here, it requires having relevant backlinks. So again, as I scrolled through this first page, I did not see your guys' website show up on the first page, which is where you would want to be. So in order to get you there, I'm going to show you. So these are your guys' stats. This is the stats to your website. The UR is how strong your guys' website is out of 100, which is currently rated a 4. Now the backlinks you guys have, you currently have 65 backlinks, but they're rated as 0, and a 0 out of 100 means that these backlinks are not doing anything for you and they could be hurting your website. That's why we want the most relevant backlinks like I was talking about earlier. So because of all this, you're only getting 11 people to your website, and that's per month. Now, I'm telling you now just because I know what your competitor is getting, and I've seen those keywords that you guys should be being found for. And I'm going to tell you, you could be and should be getting a lot more traffic than that. So if we take a look at your guys' competitor, we can see they don't have a strong website either. Their backlinks are not very strong, but look at the traffic that they're getting each and every month. That's over 500 people going to their website. That's all traffic, possible business that you guys are missing out on. Now, if we take a look at where exactly they're getting that business from, we can see their top rated keyword that they're getting their business from is AC Repair Ocala. 173 people are going to their website every month. That's an insane number, and that's a number that you guys should be being found for. And again, this is just one of your competitors. So that's what I wanted to show you. I, again, tried to keep it short. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions at all and you want to talk, just reach out. I'll leave all my information listed in the email that I send this video from, and I hope to hear from you.